Welcome to Anjute Vlogs from Nusa Penida, Bali, Indonesia. Today we woke up very early and came to Sanur port because we had booked for our fast boat from here to go to Nusa Penida. The boat is around 9 o'clock, so we had to report half an hour before. Make sure you start early from your hotel because it's going to be really crowded, full of traffic after 8 o'clock. So it's always better you start early before 8 o'clock. And there are boats available from 8 o'clock and we had booked for the boat at 9 o'clock. We booked the ticket using Klook app and they charge 2,900 for 2 people. It is for to and fro. While booking the cab, you can provide Sanur port as the destination. For us, the destination was Axe Stone office, so it was very easy. Just we had to come here and get this boarding pass. There is nothing to worry. If you have booked your ticket through Klook app, you will already get a message through WhatsApp and they will provide all required information, so there is nothing to worry. Now it's time for us to board the boat. Finally, we made it to the island, Nusa Penida. The beautiful blue water. It's kind of a emerald green color, I can say. Altogether, it took around 45 minutes for us to reach here. Yeah, this is Ayu, and we are renting a bike from here.
From Nusa Penida.
Yes,
Maybe
from
you
Nusa
have
Penida.
friend from Nusa Penida.
Yes.
You share my WhatsApp, okay?
Yes. So I'll share the contact. So if you come here, you can rent out the bike from her. It's 1 lakh for a day and 1,50,000 for the bigger one.
Diamond Beach.
We can get a good view of the beach from here. We can also hike down. Hiking means real hiking. It's very difficult, very challenging because that down we have to go. It is super cool, the view from here. Very difficult to find something that matches this beauty. You can see people down there, they have hiked down. You can even plan to stay in Nusa Penida for a day or 2 so that you will get enough time to go to each beach, explore properly, hike down. If you love to see such breathtaking views from here, still you can do that. The entry fee to this place is 35,000 rupiah. Now let's go to the next spot. Another beautiful beach to witness is the Kelingking beach. It's a cliff beach Very nice viewpoint from here. Everywhere it's like we have to hike down a lot. We love to do that, but then we don't have time. If you plan properly and if you really want to hike down, do plan for 2 days. Stay here. Nicely you can go, or maybe if you're coming for a day, plan one beach wherein you can step down and the other ones you can just cover it. We love this place. Again we have to go to the next place. Before that we will go for lunch. We are really not sure how much justice the video can do to the actual beauty of this place, but definitely you have to come here, witness it directly. It is that amazing, believe me. I'm sure our video is going to be a good travel guide for your Bali trip, no doubt in that. Now we will have some lunch from here. We have ordered chicken fried rice and some coconut juice. We came to the final destination of today. This is the Broken Beach, which you can see behind me. It's such a beautiful location, picturesque view, and near to this 5 minutes walk from here is the Angels Billabong. So we have to walk towards that. We took a lot of pictures from the Broken Beach. Now we are going to walk towards the Angels Billabong. Let's go see how it looks like. These are some of the places which we should not miss while in Nusa Penida. Such beautiful the views are. This is Angels Billabong's dears. Such an amazing view. Lot of water is splashing onto our. Can't even express how much happiness we are feeling right now to witness this directly. This is a must visit spot, no doubt in that. This is a natural pool created by the Mother Earth itself. Let's treasure all these views. There is lot of breeze here. At some point when we were riding, it was super cold. We could never expect such a climate here. So some part it is kind of a hill station. Then once we reach towards the beach, it is kind of full of sun. Another point which I wanted to tell you is that once we started from the port towards Diamond Beach, it took around 1 hour 15 minutes. From Diamond Beach to Kelingking, again it took another 1 hour. From there to this beach, the Broken Beach, it's kind of half an hour, and then 5 minutes walk to Angels Billabong. So this is how we planned our itinerary. There are people who does the reverse of this, but I felt this is better because ultimately we have to reach the port 30 minutes or 45 minutes in advance. So it's better we go from here because this is nearer than the Diamond Beach. So try to take this itinerary if possible. Also the crowd usually try to take the other one. From the Broken Beach towards Diamond Beach they usually travel, but in our case we did from Diamond Beach to the Broken Beach. So this is easier so that here we can calmly spend some time. In Nusa Penida, if you are looking for some beach which is not kind of a cliff and wherein you need not really hike down, then you can visit Crystal Beach. If you have enough time, add Crystal Beach also to your itinerary. We came back to Sanur Port. Our happiness, our satisfaction lies when we are able to be a proper travel guide for our viewers. That is something we actually feel grateful for. If our vlog is helping at least one person, we are more than happy for that. Now it's time for end up this vlog from Nusa Penida back to Sanur and going back to our resort. We are also doing an exclusive shopping vlog. Please do watch that as well. Please do share all your feedback. If you have any queries, please do add it as comments. I will definitely respond to you. Like, subscribe to my channel. Lots of love, Anju De Vlogs.